Oh, hello. I didn't see you there. But I'm glad that you're here, because today I'm going to show you the right way to remove the whole light kit from your tower. Spoiler alert, you do not need any tools to remove this light kit from the tower. I know that it is tempting to get a screwdriver and undo all of these little screws and think that you lift it up. Don't do that. Step number 1, unplug your lights. Step number 2, you're gonna take your fingers and you're gonna do this, kind of like an L, kind of like a whatever. Doesn't matter. We're gonna go here and we're going to brace. And we're going to just push up with our thumbs and wiggle that bad boy right on off. Ta-da! Success!